On a two-lane traffic snarl-up, but as of today, we are actually on a single-lane snarl-up. The jam has reduced from 74 kilometers to be just short of 34 kilometers, and it is still flowing. We are, of course, facing a few challenges because the systems in Uganda are down. That is the Uganda Revenue Authority. The customs office, the systems are down, and there has been a slowdown in that clearance of trucks. But this is also being dealt with, and that will be an issue that we hope to settle before the end of the week. So for testing, I guess by Wednesday, we should be back. And moving forward, we put in place systems that we are doing our quantifications and justifications for our test, and we should be getting an adequate test in time, and this should not be failed in any other time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kira tiki kya